Live now. Hi gang, Puppy here. It's still the 10th of October. It's 4:46. I'm on battery power on this computer. It's the one good thing about it. The battery's giving me enough to turn it on, say a few words, turn it off, gather inspiration for a vicious rant against pernicious graft and extortion.
That's not their name, dear.
If you had buried the lines in the ground, the trees wouldn't be messing with them. Oh, but that was expensive. Cut into your profits. You hear the world's smallest violin for your profits? People are fucking dying!
You know the PGD stands for pathetic, greedy, grubbing executives.
That about says it. There's some JPEGs of some workarounds to try and survive and get things done. This is your future, and this is the chic new underwear. Long handle underwear with a flap in the back so you don't freeze yourself when you go out to the outhouse in the middle of the night to poop.